Hello, in today's video, we are going to talk about the most effective home remedies for sore throat. Sore throat is a common ailment that can be caused by various factors such as viruses, bacteria, allergies, and pollutants. It can be painful, uncomfortable, and can affect your daily routine. But don't worry, in this video, we will discuss some of the best home remedies for sore throat that you can easily try at home. The first remedy on our list is saltwater gargle. Gargling with salt water can help to reduce inflammation and ease pain. Salt water acts as a natural disinfectant, reducing inflammation and killing bacteria by creating a high-salt environment that is not conducive to bacterial growth. To make a saltwater solution, mix 1 teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day. The second remedy on our list is honey and lemon tea. This is a popular remedy that is used to soothe sore throat. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling and soothe irritated tissues. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which can help to boost the immune system and reduce inflammation. To make this tea, boil a cup of water, add a tablespoon of honey and squeeze half of a lemon. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day. The third remedy on our list is apple cider vinegar gargle. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which is a natural antibacterial agent. It can help to kill bacteria and viruses that cause sore throat. To make a solution, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day. The fourth remedy on our list is steam inhalation. Steam inhalation helps to reduce inflammation and congestion by loosening mucus and opening up nasal passages. To do this, boil a pot of water, place your face over the pot and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Breathe in the steam for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint for added benefits. Essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe sore throat. The fifth remedy on our list is garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which is a natural antimicrobial agent that can help to kill bacteria and viruses that cause sore throat. You can either chew on a clove of garlic or add it to your food. You can also make garlic tea by boiling a few cloves of garlic in water and drinking it. And lastly is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids helps to keep the throat moist and prevents it from becoming dry and irritated. Hydration also helps to thin out mucus, making it easier to swallow and clear out of the throat. Additionally, staying hydrated can help boost the body's immune system, which can help fight off the infection causing the sore throat. Sore throat can be a painful and uncomfortable condition, but these home remedies can help to ease the pain and reduce inflammation. Saltwater gargle, honey and lemon tea, apple cider vinegar gargle, steam inhalation, garlic and staying hydrated are all effective remedies that you can easily try at home. These remedies have been used for centuries to treat sore throat. However, if your sore throat persists for more than a week or you have other symptoms like fever, difficulty swallowing, or earache, it's important to see a doctor. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health-related videos.